We'll guide you through how to activate Hey Siri or Siri on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient because you can simply go and say Hey Siri or even Siri, and it will then be triggered and you can go and tell Siri what you want, maybe to go and set a timer to go and do something. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done. Perhaps at the moment, it only works when you tap and hold the side button, or it may not even come on when you press that as well. So to get started, open your settings. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down and find Apple Intelligence and Siri. Next, come into Siri requests and you can find Talk to Siri. So if you want to go and have the side button enabled, you can go and switch that on there. Then what we can do is go and choose if you want Hey Siri or Hey Siri. I want this top option, so I'm going to tap there. And we can now go and set this up. So press continue. Siri, how's the weather? And follow this. Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. So now you've gone and read out those different things. It says Siri is ready. iPhone will listen for Siri or Hey Siri at the beginning of requests. So now to go and give you an example, I can go and say, Siri, search online for GuideRealm.
I found this on the web.
As you can see, we can simply go and use it without needing to go and press that side button now.